Today, guys, we're gonna be
Yeah.
glitching our way out of here and
Hello. Oh, where'd the key go?
oh my gosh.
Where did it go? Oh my god, how did it get up there?
How are we gonna get
How
to
did that even happen?
we need rocket. We need uh I don't know how it happened.
Me neither.
No.
Hey dude, how many subscribers do
Dude,
you
we're
have?
gonna need that. We're gonna need that. We're gonna need
How many subscribers do you have?
Oh, on YouTube I have like 300 like 25, yeah. That's how much.
Nice. Nice. I have...
Okay, buddy.
My subscriber
One
count
day I
is
get this.
1,300... No, 1,100... And... No, 1,310.
That's nice.
Yes. Very
Dude, I don't
nice.
think we can get that anymore.
Do we even need it since we can just look at the map?
I got it! I got it!
Yo! That was a clutch!
I got it! Look at this!
That was a clutch. Maybe you should put it in your backpack.
Yeah. I'm gonna grind some money, and I'm also gonna get one of these.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm actually kind of poor. 21K, dude.
Wait, you don't
Let's
have the
do
you don't have the
it.
blue glasses? The 100K?
I do. I did that.
Oh.
So where do you want to go?
Well, since we already tried that, we could try caves. I mean, that one's easier.
B stands for boom.
That was a waste of ammo.
I don't know.
So, caves?
I'm gonna put some ammo in here. I'm gonna waste all my money, cause dude.
Okay.
Why are you taking my money? Dude, when I buy shotgun ammo, this always happens.
I mean, that could be useful.
It can be useful for anything we run in. B stands for
So, we going to caves?
Or do you want to go to sewers? Cause I can.
I mean,
No, you can lose all your stuff.
yeah, caves is easier. And also, there's an area.
Wait. Money talks, Oh, okay. Money talks,
Also, there's a secret. There's also a secret bunker there.
Oh yeah. Wasn't it the one
a-
the one that you fell into?
No, so I don't know actually, because if you go deep enough, if you have to find a few areas to go down in, there is this area. It's like a bunker, and I'm not sure how to open it yet.
Oh no, they said it was gonna be a boss fight.
Oh, that must have been what that eye was when I glitched out the map. Isn't me?
But now we're gonna be prepared because
Is
you
it
know
me or
what I
just-
have.
Wait, do we not get a light?
Yeah, I changed. I think we gotta go back.
Yeah, let's go back. It's hard. I do not like how they changed it. So now I have to just discover it through again.
I know, like the first one was good.
Yeah, I like the first one.
People are saying most people play Animal Company for the map.
Same. Because it's a good way to get money.
I can't hear you. You gotta talk to the radio.
Same. It's a good way to get money.
Ooh. Let's just get the. Should we get the little one, or
We can get the
big one?
We can get the one that floats. That one.
All right, but you have to follow me.
Why do I have a
Oh!
feeling? Also, why do I have a feeling that we're skinwalkers in this game? Because one of the fan arts over there, there's a weird looking gorilla that has the face skin peeled off and it's just like scratching its flesh. It looks like it's
Oh.
screaming. It's creepy. Oh, now I got an itch. There we go.
Wait. Does that mean? Wait, can I do this? Wait. Can I do this? Wait. Can I do this? Dang it! I was trying to. Oh, I thought you were dead. I thought you weren't here.
I'm here.
I swear, anything comes at us, dude, I'm literally whipping out the RPG.
I'm pretty sure the only thing here is only the mimic and the spiders.
Is that how we go? Or
I don't know, actually.
wait, is it this way? What the heck?
What was
Dude,
that?
I promise. On my
Well,
my
so
life, I
what is
haven't
that
played this.
sound?
I know, dude, it's making me scared. I forgot. Let's just go straight.
I guess they didn't change too much. Or they... Okay, I hated that sound.
Oh, over here, over here, over here. Oh! Oh, mine over here, mine over here.
Bet. Oh, purples, purples.
Mine everything, and when it goes down, we pick it up with our bags. Dude, my freaking pickaxe fell all the way down.
Just... Oh! I just found my third purple crystal.
My pickaxe fell all the way down. Wait, keep mine.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I just got a research point from a silver crystal.
Oh, yeah, you can get that. Now we move on over here. Oh, I got a research point!
Nice.
Alright. You gotta
Okay,
pick
they
up all the
changed
gems
the bottom
'cause
too. Why would they
you
change
gotta
the
pick
bottom?
up. You gotta pick up the gems because I have so much RPG ammo.
Okay. I'll just mine this stuff.
No, what am I doing? I'm spilling everything.
I hate when that happens. When you don't know what you're doing, you accidentally spill all your items out and someone steals it.
Dude, that's the one.
It's just so annoying.
B stands for boom! I got a research point.
Note to self, you can mine with RPGs.
I just figured that out. It might be everyone's. Oh crap! Somehow he did not die.
Shoot it.
Or should we just jump him or just?
What, next time we
Peace,
see it pass
Stitchman.
by? Next time we see it pass by, shoot.
Alright, because I have a lot of RPG ammo. Collect all those gems. Collect all those gems.
Hold on, I got an itch. Wait, don't shoot yet. I just saw it pass by. Shoot.
Oh, dang it! Didn't see that.
Shoot. Yes.
Killed it. We killed it. We killed it. We killed it. Come on, get all of these. Get all of these. Get all of these.
I'm good. I want to save it for stuff. Oh. Okay, that's just the
Oh, I
worst
need
spawn.
these.
Oh, that's one of the ways. That's okay. We just found one of the ways to get to the Okay, this way. This is one of the 3 areas. So go down again. Oh, hold on. I see. Oh, I see a few
Wait, no,
purples.
we gotta mine this.
I see a few
Gold,
purples.
gold. I found gold.
Oh, I see a more purple.
Collect all the gold. Collect all the gold. Collect that big piece of gold.
Hold on, I'm getting silver.
Did the big piece of gold fall down? No way, please.
I think I
please,
see it. I
please.
see it. I see it. Ooh, 2 purple.
Oh no way! I almost skipped another goal.
This will be good for my channel.
Pick this piece up. Pick this piece up. Pick this piece up. It's a big one.
Bet.
Here, I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna drop it.
Okay.
I'm gonna mine this one.
I'm gonna go get the big. Okay, can you shine the light over here?
Alright, wait, I'm coming.
Okay, I just had to make sure if there's any entrances.
This is worth a lot. That piece of gold is worth a lot. And then there's another silver. There's a silver.
Wait, we have big backpacks, so won't you have enough room just to get that?
No, it's because I have these.
Yeah, but still, that's barely anything. I mean, look at your look at your thing. If you on the bottom left corner, it will tell you how much items how much storage you have left.
Oh, we don't have enough ammo. We don't have a lot of ammo left.
Yeah, so it's a. Also, don't forget about your holsters.
Yeah, put it over there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
good?
so we go over here. We go over here.
Yes.
Yep. Okay,
I see
ready?
purple.
B stands. Wait, no, I'm gonna mine it. Alright, I'm gonna shoot it.
Okay.
Stand back. I don't want red watch.
Dude, we won't kill each other. It's PvP off.
Down to my last bullet. There's not even a bullet though. Oh, we gotta get these. We have to. No way.
Oh, that's a lot of big ones. Okay, I'm gonna go. You get those. I'll go over. Going over here because I see some purple glow.
Oh, I caught. I'm only gonna get one.
I hear something. I hear something. It sounds like a bug.
But still, we need these. Oh, they're all gonna fall down right there.
It's fine. Do you hear that? It sounds like.
Oh crap! Just grapple all the way up.
Why?
Cause we're about. Oh, we can escape the waypoint.
Yeah. First get these. First get the crystals. Let's first get these purple crystals.
Oh, I'm saving you that one.
Okay. Got it. Okay. 3.
Right, let's get out of here. We made it. We made it. We made it. We actually made it.
Yeah. Where do you want to
Go
go now?
down. Time to go down. Time to go down.
Ooh, wait.
Time to go down.
Dude. Since we have grapplers, let's go to sewers and just stay within the red light green light area.
Yeah.
Because we can easily escape.
And wait, no, we gotta sew.
Oh yeah. Almost forgot.
Oh, the key! Yeah, so we can sew the
Hold
key.
up. Getting the last few. Oh, frick. You can get that one.
Dude.
Actually, no, it's fine. I got it.
I got the rest of the Alright,
Okay.
time to sew.
They almost forget.
You might get like a little. Ooh, that's the. Wait, can we do a round of Haunted Mansion?
Well, that one's kind of really risky, though.
Cause you know we can fall.
Yeah, but also this. But since we have these, we can easily escape the sewer.
All right, wait. Me. I still need to bring. I need to buy more ammo.
This is the fan I'm talking about too. Look at this. Dude, this is the fan art I'm talking about.
Let me see. I'm going. Oh. Well, let me look at that. Oh, dude, that is disgusting.
Yeah. He needs
Wait, let me
some
see that.
milk.
Dang, dude. All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Mama, dude.
Also, have you noticed that the Mimic smile looks like Huggy Wuggy's mouth?
Oh yeah, I do see that.
What if the creators of this game just took Huggy Wuggy's mouth, made it 3D, and pixelated it?
For real.
Hate that sound. Dude? Yo. I don't know. I thought you... Did your Wi-Fi just glitch? Imagine a ghost kicked you out. Wait, are you back? Are you back in the thing? No, I came back up. The grappler. I will use the grappler to come back up. Since the grappler has decent range. We're here. Yeah, I can see you. That was weird. For some reason, since we were on a call together, I got a call from you again. Ooh. Yeah. Probably not, because I'm not lagging. Oh, frick. Need what? I mean, you can oh, behind you! Yeah. if you want. But don't you own the pickaxe? Dude, we have the grappler. We can easily go back up. Yeah. Yeah, it works. Wait, what is that? Is it me, or did they make this a lot easier? Yeah, I'm sure. It worked for me. Yes. It's over here. Yeah, but it loads in. This way. See? Then any second now, it'll load in. Oh, this way. Boom. Yeah, that's nothing. I once struggled so hard because I was trying to get out with 2 plungers. Yeah, and I actually survived, and I got out. Or do you want to go back in caves? Honestly, Haunted Mansion isn't that good because there's no yeah, but the research points are all but basically the best thing you get. But you won't have anything else to buy without research points. It's like a process. If you get research points, you can get something. You need money to get something. So we can go. How about we do this? We go to sewers first, then we go to Haunted Mansion. Okay. So back to sewers. Hopefully you don't lag out again. Yeah. Yeah, but it's gonna be hard for you to play. Maybe we should stay and not drop down. Just wait here until you're done eating. Okay. Where was what? Your grappler? Oh. Okay.